So, a lot of people fail a bleep test due to the anxiety and nerves that come with it. So the RGP are going to be running regular tests over the coming months to give you the opportunity to turn up, have a go, and then have a go the next week, or have a go the week after. The idea being that it'll alleviate some of your nerves. Nerves can be an inhibitor to performing in the test. So the more relaxed you are, the better you're going to perform. The equipment required for a bleep test: you're going to need a non-slip floor. You're going to need cones to mark out 15 meters, a 15-meter course. You need a measuring tape to mark out that 15 meters. You need a bleep test audio. These can be downloaded from the internet or app store. You need a speaker, and you'll need a way of recording your results. Health and safety, the athlete. Ensure you remove any jewelry or any watches before you commence the test. Make sure that you don't have any injuries or illness that could affect your ability to complete the test. Equipment and conditions. Ensure that you have a clear run-out area at the end of each line. Before the test start, ensure you conduct a thorough warm-up. Perhaps use the ramp protocol. So that's raise your resting heart rate, a light jog. Activate the working muscles. In this case, your quadriceps, your hamstrings. Mobilize and stretch, and then potentiate. So fill your lungs, get out of breath slightly before you relax before starting the test. The test involves running consistently between two lines which are 15 meters apart, in time with a beep. The test will start with the beeps quite far apart, almost walking pace, but as you progress through the test, they'll become closer and closer together, and the test will become harder. After approximately a minute, the level will change as you move through the test, and the beeps between each level denote your score. You only need to touch the line with your toe for it to count. If you don't reach the line before the beep sounds, continue to that line, turn, and try and catch up. Each time you miss a line, you receive a warning. You're going to have 2 warnings, and on the 3rd time is over and you fail. However, if during those 3 warnings you're able to hit the line and you're back to 3 lives. Cool down. When you either drop out or receive your 3 warnings, continue to walk to the cool down area and walk around in a circle until you've caught your breath and composure. For the RGP, you need to complete 5.4 on the test. After level 5 during the test, the directing staff will call out the levels and score to enable you to remember where you are. Top tips for the test itself: try and stay relaxed. Control your breathing before the test to alleviate the anxiety we spoke about earlier. Train hard, test easy. Just once a week, get yourself to 5.4 and give you the confidence that you can pass the test. Good luck.